You like it?
Now if I could quit shaking like a damn leaf.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Like it?
Moment of truth.
I feel like I'm on the wrong side of the wall.
Oh yeah, we needed.
We never put the ladder up.
I think I
told
should
him
go
before we
down.
started this, we should have put a ladder up on the outside.
I think I'm gonna go do that.
These are the My Little Pony walls, the flying pony walls. This is the taller of the two. Over there, since that roof is higher, that one's going to be a little bit shorter wall, but it's longer. So this guy goes right there between that concrete wall. It's not moving. And that concrete wall. And so we were trying to figure out how we were going to do this. We talked about building them on the ground and then using the boom to fly them in. We decided that was going to get awful heavy and sketchy. So we just put some OSB up here because we didn't want to be scuffing up our bitch-a-thing. Bitch-a-thing. He said bitch-a-thing. He called me a what?
It's a bitchy thing, man.
Anyway.
Anyhow.
We threw some sheathing up here that goes on the roof up there for a work surface so that we wouldn't scuff this up. And now we about sealed ourselves off because we were getting down over there. But Carrie got down.
Carrie is rescuing us.
A way out of here.
Our safety escape. Say thank you. Thank you, Carrie.
You're welcome!
Okay, now the moment of truth on whether we can actually get this set in between that wall. We checked we checked our top and bottom plate before we set it up there. We are double top plating, so we should be 1.5 inches short of the top of the wall if we did it right.
Damn near 3 inches.
Alrighty.
Hola.
Well, we are. Okay, we are finishing up the second pony wall, and Carrie and Dan are up there framing, and I'm down here cutting the little studs to put in there. So we are. Well, they got to nail the. They're nailing the bottom plate on now. They got to nail the top plate on after that, and then we'll be able to stand up and see if it fits. So we got to cut all of these at 2.5 degrees, because that's really close to what half 12 is. And so all of the ends need to be cut just a little bit, but it's so small of an angle that sometimes it's even hard to see. So you get them in backwards, and they got gaps on them and all that. So, and Amy Jo blew out her knee again. She dislocated her kneecap for the second time. So she is three-legged lame. Hang on, Dan. Oh. We piled or we started cutting with the pile of wood in the middle. It wasn't very smart of us, but
It's kind of hard to see, isn't it?
it's very hard to see. So here's the angle that we're trying to look at. Just a second. Nope, it's backwards.
It was after I grabbed the market from there. And
Yeah, I can mark it from here. Okay. That'll work. Shoot a monkey.
On the green.
Oh, I've already used that one. So I can't have nice things. Okay. All right, so that groove right there hopefully matches up with the bolt on the wall right over there. I don't know if you can see it. It's there. It's our straps.
And we have under here, Dustin.
What? Radar! All right, Carrie.
Oh my God.
Nice catch.
You're welcome. Sure, no problem.
my help, Dustin. All you gotta do is tell me.
Well,
Well, that's nice of you to handle the board.
what do you think?
I like it.
All right.
You like it a lot.
Like a lot. Like a lot. This is our sawhorse.
Or over
Sawhorse for the day.
here could be a side to side.
We took one of the steps that we already had. We haven't totally disassembled from the scaffolding. And then scabbed on some things. Angled it back to where it matched the saw over there. It's sketchy, but it works. What? Okay, sign off for a sec. Over there?
Yep.
Headers. Headers for the closet door in the bedroom number 2, 3. We'll call it 3. Dan calls it 2.
Dan calls it 2. Dustin calls it 3. Typical day. An educated guess.
Au contraire.
Oh, contrary.
That's the.
I figured that. All right, master's number 1.
That's number 1.
Okay, where's
And-
number 2?
2 is on the north, and then 3 is.
Why would you not
Why would you
count
go that
unless
way?
you go down the hall? 2, 3.
I don't know. See if they're the same length.
You like?
No. At the bottom I do. We got a little gap at the top. I think it'll work. If it'll fit. Okay. Okay, so when we left you yesterday, we just got that framed. but we didn't have the, I don't know if we actually showed that, but we didn't have the sheathing on. We got the sheathing on this morning. So that's all done. We're getting ready to put a header over from these two jack studs right here. They don't go all the way to the top. They just go right above that block right there. And they will go over and land inside that stud bay right there. And we'll have to shim them up to get them level. And then we also made a header for, these are the closet doors. So this wall right here is the back wall of this room. Then we have the closet right here. It'll be a 2-foot closet, one closet for that bedroom. And then I'm standing in the closet. If I can get my gimbal to work. Okay, so this door opening right here is the closet for that bedroom. So up at the top, we have a single jack stud, and I can't remember whether we needed a second for our door opening, but we're just gonna get it in there for now and add a jack stud once I look up the door opening if we need it. But we only marked it out for one. And so the header, one of those headers goes right in here. Another one there. That'll let us put in our last two eye joists, and we'll be able to start sheathing the top of this. That's the plan. Okay.
And here we go. He's gonna have to